Next concept, multiplication of a 3-digit number, so with a single digit number, the same concept here with regrouping. So without regrouping we did, so now we are going to do with regrouping. Okay, how to do? See here. So example, one example, 136 divided by, multiply by, not divided, multiply 136 by 2. How to multiply? See here. First we have to take 136 multiply by 2, multiply by 2. How to multiply? First, this one is ones place, this is ones in ones place, this is in tens place, this is in hundreds place. Ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Now, we multiply 2 with this 6, whatever is there in ones place, that we have to multiply first. 2 6 are 12. 12, what 12 means? 12 means this is in ones place, this is in tens place. 1 tens plus 2 ones. 1 tens, 2 ones. These 2 ones we have to keep in ones place, we have to write in ones place, and 1 10 is left, that we have to take carry over on tens place. Now after that, this is regrouping. 12 is there, 12 is a 2-digit number, so we have to regroup it, ones and tens. So what is there in ones place and what is there in tens place? 12 means 1 10 and 2 ones. 2 is in ones place, 1 in tens place, that one we have to take carry over on tens place. Now we have to multiply 2 with this 3. 3 is in tens place, 3 twos are 6, 6 tens, 6 tens, and already one carry over is there, 1 10 is there, 6 plus 1, 1 10, 6 plus 1, 7 tens, 7 is a single digit number, so that 7 we have to keep in tens place, 7 tens. Then after that, so we have to multiply 2 with hundreds place. What is there in hundreds place? 1 is there. Now we multiply 2 with 1. 2 ones are 2 hundreds. So that 2 hundreds we have to write in the hundreds place, 2 hundreds. So that is 272. After regrouping, so this is the product. Okay. So first we have to multiply 2 with ones place and 2 with tens place, 2 with hundreds place. After regrouping 12 and all, so final product, our answer is, our product is 272. When we multiply 136 with 2, then 272 is the answer. Okay. Now students, see here, activity 10. So this activity based on multiplication of a 3-digit number, so with a single digit number, so here with regrouping, so this multiplication based on regrouping. So here 3-digit numbers were given, this 3-digit number we have to multiply with a single digit number. Then how to multiply with a single digit number? See here, first ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Multiply 3 with 3, 3 threes are 9. 9 is a single digit number, 9 ones we have to take as it is. So when single digit number is there, so no need to regroup it, just we have to keep as it is. Now 6 threes are 3, 3 6 are 3, multiply with 6, 3 6 are 18, 18 tens. 18 tens, what 18 tens means? 18 tens means 100 plus 8 tens, 8 tens and 100. It means 8 we have to write in tens place, 1 this we have to take carry over on hundreds place, 100 and 8 tens, it makes 18 tens, 18 tens. Now 3 we have to multiply with this 2, 3 twos are 6, 6 hundreds and plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 hundreds, total 7 hundreds. What is the product? 789, this is the product. Now here this is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. First we have to multiply 5 with 2. 5 2s are 10. 10 ones. 10, this is ones place, so 10 ones. This is in ones place, this is in tens place. 0 in ones place and 1 carry over on tens place. Next, 5 with 9 in tens place. 5 nines are 45, 45 tens. 45 tens, 45, this is in tens place, so that is why 45 tens. 45 plus this one, total 46 tens. How many? 46 tens. What 46 tens means? 6 tens and 4 hundreds. 4 hundreds and 6 tens. It makes 46 tens. Means this 6 we have to take in tens place and this 4 we have to take carry over on hundreds place. Now, 5 with hundreds we have to multiply. 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 you have to keep in hundreds place. 960, this is your product. Next, ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Multiply 5 with 3. 5 3s are 15, 15 ones and tens. 15 ones means 5 ones and 1 10 carry over on tens place. Then after that, 5 8s are 40. 40 and this carry over 1. 40 plus 1, 41. 41 tens. 41 tens means 110, 400. 1 is in tens place, 4 carry over on tens place. Now, 5 ones are 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 in hundreds place. 915 is your product. Okay. Now, this is in ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Multiply 4 with 2. 4 2s are 8. 8 is a single digit number, 8 ones as it is we have to keep. Then 4 with tens place. What is there in tens place? 6. 4 6 are 24 tens. 24 tens means 4 tens and 2 hundreds. 4 in tens place we have to write and 2 carry over on hundreds place. Now after that, 4 with 2 we have to multiply. 4 2s are 8. 8 and carry over 2. 9 10. 10 hundreds means 1000. 1 in thousands place, 0 in hundreds place. Okay. In this way we have to write 1000 also here. Okay. Now, ones, tens and 100. First we have to multiply 4 with ones place, that is 5. 4 5s are 20. 20 means 0 tens, 2 hundreds. 0 tens, 2, 0 not tens, 0 ones and 2 tens. Why? Because we are multiplying with ones, no? 4 5s are 20. 20 ones means 0 ones and 2 tens. 0 ones, 2 tens. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 tens, 17 18. 18 tens means 8 tens, 100. 8 in tens, 1 carry over on hundreds. 4 ones are 4, 4 plus 1, 5. 580 is the product. Now, ones, tens and 100. First ones place. 3 zeros are 0. If any number is multiplied with 0, then answer is 0. Then 3 8s are in tens place, multiply with tens. 3 into 8 tens. 3 8s are 24 tens. 24 tens means 4 tens, 2 hundreds. 4 in tens place, 2 carry over on hundreds place. Now, 3 3s are multiply with hundreds place. 3 3s are 9 and here 2 is there. 9, 10, 11. 11 tens means 100 and 1000, that is 11 hundreds. 11 hundreds means 1000 and 100. 1 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. 1000 also we have to take. Next, ones, tens and 100. First 4 with 5, 4 5s are 20 ones, 0 ones and 2 tens, 0 ones 2 carry over on tens place, 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 30 tens means 0 tens, 3 hundreds, 0 in tens place and 3 carry over on hundreds place. Now 4 with 7 is over, 4 with 1, 4 ones are 4, 4 and carry over here 3, 4 plus 3 7, 700, 700. Okay. Now this is ones, tens and 100, ones, tens and 100. First we have to multiply 2 with ones place, that is 5, 2 5s are 10 ones means 0 ones 1 tens, 0 ones 1 tens, 2 with 8, 2 8s are 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 means 7 tens and 1 hundreds, 17 tens and 1 carry over on hundreds place. Next 2 with 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 plus 1 9, 970. This is the product. Now ones, tens and 100. Now we have to multiply 2 with 4, 2 4s are 8, 8 is a single digit number, no need to regroup it. Then 2 6 tens, 2 6 are 12 tens, 12 tens means 2 tens and 100, 2 is in tens place, 1 carry over on hundreds place. Next 2 3s are 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 hundreds. This is the product. When 3 digit number is given, we have to multiply and we have to regroup in this way. More 2 questions were there. The 2 questions you do as your home assignment. Okay. Now students, next word problems. So in this word problems, what we have to do? First, so we should read the question first. Second, understand the question. Then third, decide what we have to do. Either addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So we have to decide. So what we have to do? Then after that, steps. We have to write the steps. Then after that, what we have to do? Procedure. So we have to follow the procedure. Then after that, simplification. Then after that, so conclusion step. So these we have to follow when what problem is given. First, read the question first. Then second, understand the question. Then third, so then what we have to do? So decide, either addition is there, multiplication, division or subtraction. Then after that, method. Before method, so steps we have to write the steps. Then after that, method. After that, simplification. Then after that, conclusion step. So these, okay. First, here 3 word problems are there. We are going to do these 3 word problem. More 2 word problems are there. That 2 word problems you do as your home assignment. First question. Here, Rani gave 4 sweets to each of her friends on her birthday. How many? 4 sweets. Here 4 sweets. Okay. How many sweets in all did she give to 4 of her friends? So 4 friends. Total how many sweets? 4 sweets she gave to each of her friend. Each of her friend how many sweets? 4 sweets. Then how many friends she is having? 4 friends. So then total how many sweets she has to give? So that we have to find. Here about one friend he has given. About one friend. So one friend she gave 4 sweets, and 4 friends how many sweets she has to give? Here one quantity, about one it is given. So here he has given, then more he is asking, one he has given, more he is asking, then what we have to do? So multiplication. When unit is given, more he is asking, then multiplication we have to do. Here also same. About one friend he has given, one means unit. So then he is asking more, means 4 friends. So that means we have to decide that what we have to do means here multiplication we have to do. Okay. First, solution. Number of sweets Rani gave each of his friend, each of her friend, each of her 4 sweets. 4 sweets. Then number of sweets she has to give 4 of her friends. What we have to do? So we have to multiply these 4. So unit means one friend. How many sweets? So each of her friend. So she got 4. Each of her friend got 4 sweets. Then how many friends she is having? 4. So number of sweets with number of friends we have to multiply. 4 with 4 in a vertical method. So apply vertical method. So 4 sweets, then total how many friends? 4 friends she is having. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 sweets. How many sweets? She need 16 sweets. Therefore, number of sweets she has to give 4 of her friends. Sixteen sweets. How many sweets? Total 16 sweets she need to give 4 of her friend. Okay. This is first question. Then second question. In the second question again it's a word problem. First read the question first. In a storybook there are 6 students in each team. How many? 6 students. In each means one team, single unit is given. Unit team 6 students. There are such 8 such teams. One team is given and asking about 8 teams. Unit is given and more is asking. When unit is given and more is asking, then what we have to do? So we have to multiply. Then first read the question, understand the question, then decide what we have to do. Either addition, multiplication, division or subtraction. Here multiplication. Why here multiplication? For unit, for one team, about one team he has given and about 8 teams he is asking. So multiplication. Then find the total number of students participate. Okay. Then solution. Now steps. Students in each team. 6 students. How many students are there in each team? 6 students. Then number of students in 8 teams. In 8 teams we need, in 8 teams number of students. Then 6 into 8. Now we have to multiply number of students in each team with number of teams. And 6 is a vertical method. Vertical multiplication method. 8 6 are 48. How many students were there in 8 teams? Total 48 students were there in 8 teams. Therefore, number of students in 8 teams. This is our conclusion step. So understand and decide and steps and simplification and final conclusion. Next, third word problem. Solution. First read the question first. There are 8 cars. How many cars? 8 cars. Total 8 cars. Each means about one car. Each car has 4 wheels. About each car means about one car he has given and asking for 8 cars. Then how many wheels are there in 8 cars? Unit is given and more is asking. Unit in one car, about one car he has given, 8 cars he is asking. Means we have to multiply. First read your question, understand and decide. 3 steps over. Now steps. First step. Number of wheels. in each car, in each car 4. Now about 8 cars, number of wheels, in 8 cars, 8. What we have to do? So with unit we have to multiply 8, 4 with 8, 8 4s are 32. How many wheels are there? This is the method, this is the simplification method, steps method and conclusion step. Then number of wheels, in 8 cars, 32 wheels. Total how many wheels? 32 wheels. More 2 questions were there, the 2 similar questions, your home assignment. Okay. Now this is our maths lab activity. So in this activity what we are going to discuss, what we are going to learn. So multiplication fact. About multiplication fact we are going to learn. So what material we need? So we need marbles and multiplication fact cards. So prepare some multiplication fact cards like 2 4s are, 3 8s are, 7 2s are, 8 9s are. So like this some cards you have to prepare. Okay, you have to prepare and collect some marbles. Then after that, so what is the procedure? Then how to do? So divide your classroom into 2 groups. And first group they should come forward and collect one card, that is multiplication fact card. So any one card you have to select from multiplication fact card. So suppose you selected 2 into 4 card. So this is for example 2 into 4, this card you selected. So first group they selected 2 into 4. Then what is the fact? So the second group they should come forward and they arrange the marbles. So whatever is 2 into 4 is there. So how to take and how many marbles you need to arrange? So in this way, 2 into 4. What 2 into 4 means? 2 into 4 means they should arrange into 2 groups, in such a way that in each group they should keep 4 marbles. How many marbles? 4 marbles. This represents number of groups. These represent number of marbles in each group. Number of marbles in each group. The second group come forward and arrange 2 groups. How many marbles are there in each group? 4 marbles. First in one group, so they should arrange 4 marbles. So in one more group, second group, they should arrange more 4 marbles. So this is our 2 groups. In 2 groups we have 4 marbles in each group. Then after that they should count how many marbles are there in total. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Total how many marbles are there? 8 marbles. The first group they should write the answer on the board. 2 4s are 8. So like this the first group they should collect, means they should take out one multiplication fact card. So whatever you prepared, and the second group according to that, if 2 4s is there, they should arrange the marbles in such a way that, so this first one represent number of groups and second one represents number of marbles. 4 marbles they have to arrange in 2 groups. 4 marbles in each group and 2 groups they should arrange in 2 groups. And after that total marbles they have to count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. That the first group they should write the multiplication fact on the board. Then this is multiplication fact 2 4s are 8. Practically this is the method to do, to multiply and to say. So what is the fact? Okay. So this is one of the example I showed. So one more card you have to select, 2 3s are, 3 9s are, whatever, that is your wish. And according to that make your groups and select some marbles and keep in the group and calculate and find total how many marbles are there. That first group they should write on the board. Okay. So this is a multiplication fact. By doing this activity you should know, so what is a multiplication and actually what is meant by multiplication. Okay students, so in your textbook it is given second activity. In the second activity, so in your class divide into 5 groups, means 5 students, come forward 5 students, and so each student takes some crayons, means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 crayons. So in the each crayon box, suppose you think that 5 crayons were there. So then how many crayons were there all together? So how to find? First, in one box 5 crayons were there. In the second student he is having 5 crayons, and third student he is having 5 crayons, and fourth student he is having 5 crayons, and fifth student he is having 5 crayons. So each student is having 5 crayons in his crayon box. So then how to find repeated addition? Repeated means same number of crayons are there in each box. Then repeated addition, we have to find the answer. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. Then 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Total how many crayons were there? 25. This is repeated addition. If repeatedly, if we add 5 times, so how many students were there? 5 students. Each student having 5 crayons in his crayon box. Then total equal number of crayons were there. Equal number of crayons means if we add 5 times, then answer is 25. Then in multiplication, how to multiply this? So then 5, how many students are there? 5 students. That number of students we have to take and multiply with number of crayons in each of his box. How many crayons were there? 5 crayons. Number of students, 5 students, and number of crayons in each of his box. How many? 5. Then 5 5s are 25. How many crayons were there? 25. If we add repeatedly, then our answer is 25. By applying multiplication also, we are getting the same answer. 5 into 5 is equal to 25. If repeated addition is a long method to do to find the answer, in multiplication, in short, you will get your answer. Okay. So this is multiplication fact. Using this repeated addition, whenever repeated addition means same number will come, then using repeated addition, so we can find the sum. But so in this case, by applying a small means multiplication, then you will get direct answer. Okay. Okay students.